5 Best Pet Hair Handheld Vacuum Reviews. Number 1. Black Plus Decker BDH 2000 PL Max Lithium Pivot Vacuum, Best Cordless Handheld Vacuum for Pet Hair. Black Plus Decker BDH 2000 PL is one of the best rated handheld vacuum for pet hair with a cheap price range under $100 and a strong suction power. Its high-performance motor with cyclonic action results in an impressive suction work. The device comes with a pivoting head, which makes it easy to clean different types of surfaces. Also, the product features a handy pivot tool and brush set which is excellent for grabbing pet hair from all type of furniture or upholstery. Its lithium battery gives it the needed extra strength to keep on the powerful job so that you can complete the cleaning without tension or physical exhaustion. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vac 33A1. If you are looking for the perfect pet hair eraser, then Bissell Pet Hair Eraser would be a smart choice. On Amazon, this vacuum cleaner received an average score of over 4 out of 5 from over 3,000 customers. That's a result of being a cheap pet vacuum cleaner with great features. This Bissell Pet Hair Eraser handheld vacuum corded cleaner comes with 2 nozzles, one rubber cleaner designed especially for upholstery, and another one made of hard plastic for sucking up messes. Although pet hair cleaning is its strong side, this device is doing great furniture and upholstery cleaning. Number 3. Eureka Handheld Vacuum 71B. This lightweight vacuum cleaner is the favorite choice of more than 700 Amazon's customers. Most of the Amazon customers rated this 5 stars. While weighing 5 pounds only, it comes with 2 motors for the cleaning job. Yes, one motor for the revolving brush and the another 5.5 amp motor for the dust suction. This is a great pet hair vacuum which can also apply for other household cleaning tasks. Its stretch hose can clean stairs, upholstery, etc. You can use this vacuum for cleaning your car interior too. Number 4. Shark Rocket Corded Hand Vacuum, Dustbuster for Pet Hair. This vacuum is based on the technology behind the very popular Shark Rocket upright vacuum cleaner. It is very useful to handle pet hair on carpets and upholstery. People like it for its amazing combination of low weight and powerful motor. This newcomer received a promising start from more than 100 customers on Amazon. Its true pet motorized spinning brush head is a really nice gadget that actually helps in removing even the smallest pet hair. The vacuum comes with the plug-and-play facility, making it super easy to start. It includes a 15 feet long cord, so you don't have to worry about charging the battery fully before starting to clean. Number 5. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. By Bissell, save pets. Bissell will donate $5 for each pet hair eraser Li-Ion purchase, upon activation. Remove more embedded dirt and pet hair with a motorized brush tool and lithium-ion battery. 14 volts lithium-ion battery for lithium-powered cleaning, dirt cup capacity, 0.7 liters. Large, easy-to-empty dirt bin to help get rid of pet hair easily. Triple-level filtration to help improve cleaning performance. Set of specialized pet tools includes motorized brush tool, upholstery tool, and crevice tool.
Oh.